Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 3 in the FabFitFun Winter Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha, I'm the Brand Marketing Director at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by April. Thank you for joining.
Hi, so happy to be here.
April is our Director of Beauty on the merchandising team, and so we're so excited to chat through all of the products that you can choose in this customization. If you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it.
Let's do it.
First up, we have the Perricone MD Essential FX Acyl-Glutathione Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream.
So this is going to target fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and give you smoother skin. It's lightweight, fast absorbing, and it's perfect for layering under makeup, or you can also wear it alone too. It's packed with antioxidants and caffeine, which I feel like is exactly the two things you want under your eyes. And you guys won't believe it, but this is $125 for this one product.
That is
and
insane
you can
value.
choose this in choice 3. And because you're using it on your under eyes too, it's a little bit different than a moisturizer. But like you said, a little goes a long way. The texture is really rich.
It is a little thicker.
Yeah, it's a thicker texture too. You can like feel it. You can see it even when you pull out from the jar. It's really nice, and it feels just nice and hydrating under those eyes.
Perricone, very trusted brand.
Oh yeah.
Their products go to work instantly and you see results right away.
Yeah, and a member favorite brand too. Members love all things Perricone, so really excited to bring back another Perricone product into the box.
Next up, we have the DIBS Beauty Go-To Glossy Balm in Effortless Pink.
So you've seen their products in box before. We are bringing you another product, which is this balmy, beautiful pink gloss. And so this is the ultimate wearable lip gloss that's perfect for on the go. It's in the shade Effortless Pink, and it's all of the shine and none of the stickiness. So sometimes when you put on lip gloss, you get that sticky feeling on your
hair
lip.
gets caught.
Exactly. This is not it, but it's gonna give you that pearly, shimmery little glow on your lips. You can wear it on its own, or you can top it on top of lipstick too, depending on what look you're into.
Next, we have the Brocc Your Body Seriously So Good Cookbook.
Carissa is one of my favorite creators, food bloggers, Instagrammers, and she has brought that to life with her Seriously So Good cookbook. So there's over 100 recipes that are approachable, nourishing, fun, pretty easy to cook as well too. I would not consider myself a chef by any means, and I feel like I could make everything in this book without too much trouble. And so recipes include everything from the Greek style lemon chicken or the better for you take on like a fast food fried chicken sandwich. And she really tries to share her outlook on just balanced eating, a stress-free approach, and still enjoying yourself while eating. And making also just the cooking experience a little bit more fun.
Our members have been asking for books, but in particular cookbooks for years. And this is our first time including one. And this one is so good. These full-size, beautiful pictures. I want to just, I don't want to think about it. Yes, I want to eat everything. And it makes it so easy because, if you love everything in here, you could just flip to any random page,
pick it and
make it.
And you know that it's going to be good.
Definitely. I'm picking that one for sure. Next up, we have the AVEDA Curl Enhancer Cream.
So this curl enhancer cream helps define curls. I am not a curly girl, but from all my curly girls that have tested this, they know and love this. So it helps enhance those natural curls, helps create some definition, add bounce, add shine. They also, all of their formulas are certified organic. They include pomegranate and aloe for just that nourishment and hydration. And I think another thing we hear from all of our curly girls is that you're looking for hydration a lot because sometimes strands can feel a little bit dry. So this product will help do that, especially with the aloe. And then another important thing that we're always looking out for is people say that they don't want crunchy curls either. So you can leave this in, you can work it through your hair. It's gonna make your curls soft and manageable and defined without that crunch.
And I am a curly girl, and AVEDA is one of my go-tos because it is so lightweight. There isn't any crunchiness or stiffness, and it smells so good. It's it's nice and fresh, and you can really smell the aloe in there, and I just like that natural scent. Kind of like gives spa a little bit.
Oh yeah.
So I have always gravitated toward AVEDA.
Yeah,
for that.
And they are just an authority in hair care. They've been doing it for a long time, and there's a reason for it because they know what they're doing and they make products that work.
Next, we have the Tower 28 MakeWaves mascara.
We on the beauty team are huge fans of all things Tower 28. They are a newer brand to FabFitFun. They're in our advent calendar, which if you guys have not bought, you should. And we are bringing you their clean mascara. So it's a very lightweight formula that's buildable without getting clumpy or crunchy, which is obviously very important for a mascara. And if you can see here, I'm really picky about the brush. And I love that these are like basically individual little pieces. So it's really gonna allow you to lengthen your lashes and it's gonna allow them not to clump.
And Hailey Bieber herself actually uses this.
Approved.
Hailey Bieber approved. Next, we have the Bushwick Kitchen Short Stories Honey Jar and Dipper.
So I have never had a honey jar and dipper, and now I feel like I need one in my life.
It's so cute. It's very cottagecore.
It's the perfect way to store honey on your countertop, when you're drizzling it on tea, if you're putting it on toast.
You could use it on a charcuterie board.
It's perfect. I feel like it's the accessory that's next to the charcuterie board that just gives it that little extra touch.
Next, we have the First Aid Beauty Bronze Glow Drops with niacinamide.
I am the biggest fan of bronzing drops. I just dab a couple drops into my moisturizer, mix it all together, and put it onto my skin. And every time I do it, people always ask me, oh, did you get a spray tan? Did you just come back from vacation? No, I used bronzing drops. And so not only are they gonna make you actually look bronzed and a little sun-kissed, which is great for the winter, it also helps even your skin tone. It also has niacinamide, so it's a little bit of a treatment in there and gives you that just glow like you came back from vacation.
Now, I have tried bronzing drops before and they actually dried me out a little bit. How do you feel about this one?
These will not, these will not. And if you find that just in general they do, adding the couple dabs in moisturizer really, really helps with that because it just kind of, it blends into the moisturizer, won't dry you out. Next,
we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen, and this is gonna come in Ebony, Taupe, Soft Brown, Dark Brown, and Medium Brown.
Obviously, an eyebrow must-have because it is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, who is the
queen.
Yeah, the reigning queen of brows. We trust everything that she says with brows and everything that she makes. So you all have seen a few different Anastasia products that have been in box before. So bringing you another brow essential. And so what this pen does is it actually creates realistic and natural looking strokes of hair on your brow. And I think people are a little bit scared of a pen, but if you just are gentle with it and use the tip, you can make really precise kind of hair-like strokes. And if you just follow the shape of your brow, it's gonna help define them. It's gonna add some dimension to them. It's also waterproof too. So when you're out and about or on the go, it's gonna stay all day. And then we have 5 different shades. So depending on your eyebrow color, there's something for everyone here.
And it actually, you have more control than I expected. Because of that fine tip, you really can get those tiny, and it definitely does look very hair-like.
Yeah, they're very, very natural.
I had a brow mishap the other day. I got a little dipper accidentally put in, so definitely need to use
bring
this
one home.
to fill it in. Next, we have the Ettika 18 karat gold plated adjustable crystal bracelet, and I have this on right now.
Beautiful, I love it. So this features a shimmery crystal on a dainty gold chain, and it's great because it's adjustable too. So you can throw it on, it's easy to put on yourself. You don't have to ask someone if they can come hook it on for you.
Or if you have long nails,
it's
hard to clasp it.
And then you can adjust it. It's the perfect accessory for any winter outfit. It's glam enough, but not crazy in your face. And it pairs well. I feel like if you want to stack it, if you want to mix and match with other jewelry, and just, it's the last thing to pop on before you walk out the door.
It's beautiful, and we've seen tennis necklaces trending, and I think a tennis bracelet is just so beautiful as well. And like you said, for holiday looks, I think this just adds something so pretty and would go with anything. It's not too much of a statement where you have to, you know, really like dumb down the rest of your outfit.
No, it's perfect.
All right, well, that is everything in customization 3. Thank you for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Winter Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.